Very good evening, students. Welcome to Akshar IIT Foundation classes. This is Gafar Muhammad, your physics faculty. Let's start our session. So, in the last class, we did that addition of vectors, isn't it? In the addition of vectors, we completed about triangle law of vector addition, next to polygon law of vector addition, general method, even we completed about parallelogram law of vector addition. Now we'll do today the problems about this what topic, isn't it? So you have this kind of book, right, and our worksheet. This is called workbook. So in that workbook, you can open page number 35. The page number 35, practice sheet. So open practice sheet. So in that practice sheet problems we'll do today. Okay. So that is our topic. Today's task is practicing the problems or else solving the problems one by one. So now look at here. This is because these problems are very important for solving physics problems in ahead classes. So that I make you practice these questions. Now let's start the first question one by one. The first question is, if A plus B is equal to A bar plus B bar, okay, A plus B is equal to what? A bar plus B bar. So I am writing the question here. They given the condition A bar plus B bar, A plus B is equal, A bar mod A plus B is equal to mod A plus mod B. Then they are asking to find the angle between A and B. So here A bar plus B bar, right? A bar plus B bar. Then how do you solve this A bar plus B bar? So directly they given mod A plus B is equal to mod A mod B, isn't it? Then how do you solve it here? Now you can do, first let me take mod A plus B. Mod A plus B nothing but you can take something like A bar plus mod B bar. You can take here under root of what? Under root of A square plus B square plus A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this equation you have through parallelogram law equation. Understand? This you have through parallelogram law equation. In the last class we did that. Now here, but what is this A plus B? Mod of A bar plus B bar is nothing but this thing, right? So you can equate to as A plus B is equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. 2AB cos theta, isn't it? Now here, see what is this A? A is nothing but mod A. B is nothing but mod B. So mod A mod B is equal to mod of A plus B. That is the point I written. Now here you can take squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. SBS. Simply I will call it as SBS. What is mean by SBS? Squaring on both sides. If I do square on both sides, A plus B whole square is equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta whole square. So now here square and this root cancel. So remaining equation I write here. The remaining equation I elaborate this equation by applying A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB 2AB, which is equal to, if I cancel the square and root, remaining equation is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So this is your, now here you can cancel A square B square, A square B square. And what is the remaining? The remaining is 2AB is equal to 2AB cos theta. Even you can cancel AB, AB, 2, 2. So finally, what is the thing? Cos theta is equal, you have 1. Cos theta is equal to 1. You know, cos function having the 1 for which angles? Having the 1, 0 degrees. So answer is what? Here theta become what? 0 degrees. So answer is what over there? So that is first option. So this is the way you will have the answer. This is the solution for the first question. Understand, children? So here I applied parallelogram law. This is parallelogram law, and here I did squaring on both sides. So simplified, you got it. Theta value as 0 degrees. Means two vectors acting with 0 degrees. Now I'll go for the next question. So now I'll go for the next question. See, question number 2. What is the question number 2? P bar and Q bar are two adjacent sides of the parallelogram. What is that? P bar and what? Q bar are taking as adjacent side of the parallelogram. So let me write here. Let me draw the parallelogram. This is P bar and this is Q bar, and by using this I'll take this also what? Q bar, and this also what? This is P bar. This is P bar. This is Q bar. And now this is your what? Resultant vector. That is actually one diagonal. Then they're asking, then the other diagonal is, you know, the other diagonal is, this is your other diagonal. Understand? This is your other diagonal. So this other diagonal you can take R dash. What is the R dash value they're asking? So how do you take that R dash? Yeah, easily we can find the R dash by taking, look at here, by taking here. So now this you can take as it is. This you can take Q bar is as it is you can take. But here the thing is, you know, this is your P bar. But I am taking negative of that. If I take negative of that, negative P means what? So positive P is acting this direction, negative P acting reverse direction. So this is your Q bar and this is your what? This is your minus P. Then the diagonal of these two will give the R dash value. Okay, resultant of these two will give the R dash. So finally what we can write? Q bar minus P bar will give other diagonal. Q bar minus P bar will give other diagonal. So what is the thing here? Q bar minus P bar, that is nothing but second option. The option 2 will give our answer. So write down. How do you take this? You know, I'm now by using this. Look at here. I'll construct a parallelogram. The parallelogram diagonal will give this R dash. So now let me construct here for better understanding. This is your Q bar, and this is your what? Minus P bar. Again I am taking somewhere over here minus P bar. Again I am taking here what? Yes. Again I am taking here what? Q bar. So finally this will represent your R dash value. So R dash I can write as minus P bar plus Q bar, or else Q bar minus P bar. So this is your answer. I hope you understood the diagrammatically. Now, so one more question, similar kind. This is the second question, better write down. So I am going for the second one, third one. I am going for third one. So what is the third one here? Mod a bar minus b bar, which is equal to mod a plus mod b. Then they are asking angle between a bar and b bar. This is our question. Angle between a bar and b bar. This is our question. It is also similar kind. Just before we did this kind of problem. So first write down this a bar minus b bar. This is nothing but subtraction. Vector subtraction. Vector subtraction nothing but it is one kind of addition only. But what is the mean by this one kind of addition? Here we are adding a vector with a negative vector of other one. Negative vector. Adding with a vector, negative vector is nothing but subtraction. So understand? So now here also they given a vector a we are adding one more vector with a negative sign. So that mean by becomes under subtraction of vectors. Now here a bar minus b bar, right? A bar minus b bar mod, you can write here under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. This I have written by using parallelogram law. This equation I did. I have written with a parallelogram by using parallelogram law. Now, but you know this value must be equal to this value. Mod a mod b, I'll simply write a plus b. Mod a mod b, just I'll write as a plus b, which is equal to under root of a square plus b square plus minus 2ab cos theta. 2ab cos theta. Now what supposed to do here? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. If you do squaring on both sides, this is a plus b whole square under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Minus 2ab cos theta. Here also you must take the square. But what happened here? The thing is, this square and this root will get cancelled. The remaining equation, you can apply a plus b whole square formula. So if you apply a square plus b whole square, it is become a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta. Minus 2ab cos theta. Now, what is gets cancelled here? A square b square, a square b square. Remaining equation is 2ab, which is equal to minus 2ab cos theta. So what is the thing here? 2ab cancel. So cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos function having minus 1 for an angle of 180 degrees. For an angle of 180 degrees. Since the angle between the vectors a and b is what is the angle? 180 degrees. That is the answer. I hope you have understood this problem. Next, to go for fifth question. Not fifth question. There is something like fourth question. Now I am going for fourth question. So what is the fourth question here? They are given two vectors. If P and Q is equal to R, what is that? P and Q is equal to R. P bar, Q bar is equal to R bar. P bar, Q bar is equal to P and Q is equal to R bar. So this is fourth question. Now similar way, P minus Q bar is equal to S bar. P minus Q is equal to S bar. Then they are asking R plus S square is equal to R square plus S square value is how much? This is our question. They given these two conditions and asking to find r square plus s square. So here easily you can take here, actually they given the wrong way here. The wrong is actually here it is positive. P plus q is equal to r square, p minus q is equal to s, then r square plus s square is the condition actually. They mistakenly written as and here. So directly first take this equation. So p plus q is equal to r. It's nothing but it is addition of the two vectors. When addition of the two vectors, what formula we can take here? Parallelogram law directly. So now I am taking here parallelogram law. Parallelogram law if I take, that is r square is equal to, you will get p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. 2pq cos theta is our answer. Next, similar way, s square is equal to, what is this s square here? S square is nothing but p square plus q square minus 2pq cos theta. So finally what is the thing? They are taking the addition of 2r plus s square. Then r square plus s square is equal to p square 2p square, q square 2q square, and this one gets cancelled. So finally what is the answer? R square plus s square is equal to 2 times of p square plus q square. This is your answer. Simple one. So what is the option? Third option. What is the answer here? Third option. Here just I used parallelogram law vector addition. So you can make it correct p plus q. In the question you can make it correct, that is p plus q. So for one more question they are asking, the maximum value of magnitude of a minus b. See, that is our fifth question. Max value of a bar minus b bar. A bar minus b bar. Maximum value of a bar minus b bar. So first let me apply parallelogram law here. Parallelogram law if I apply, so a bar minus b bar magnitude is equal to and root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta minus 2ab cos theta. A square b square minus 2ab cos theta. So here you will get maximum value. See, if this is 90 degrees, if this is 90 degrees, or else if this theta is 180 degrees, if this theta is 180 degrees, if theta is 180 degrees, what is going to be your maximum value? So a minus b is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos 180 is minus 1. So finally what is the thing here? A square plus b square plus 2ab under root. This is, it is like a plus b whole square formula. When this is a plus b whole square formula, this you can write a plus b whole square under root. This root and square gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. What is the remaining equation? The remaining equation is a plus b. So what is the answer? What is the answer here? A bar minus b bar, the maximum value is a plus b, that is the third option. But to get the maximum value, what is the condition here? The two vectors must be at 180 degrees. That is the condition. in this problem, this has to know. This problem, this has to know. Then you will get A plus B form. Better take no. So now see the sixth question. This is actually you can solve your own. That is a because conceptual question. So try to understand and solve the sixth question. So now I'll go for one more question here. The one more question is from the following figure, the correct relation is. So I'm going for seventh question. I'm going for what? Seventh question. Seventh question. So what is the thing here? From the following, the correct relation they're asking. So what is the relations here? A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar plus E bar is equal to 0. That is the first one. Second is C bar minus D bar is equal to minus A bar. And similar way, third equation, third one is B bar plus E bar, B bar plus E bar minus C bar is equal to minus D. Then what is the correct relation they're asking? They're asking correct relation. Actually, this question completely based on polygon law of vector addition. What is that? Polygon law of vector addition. Now see here, and look at here. So A bar plus B bar, you can write this first equation, you can write as A bar plus B bar minus E bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to what? Minus B bar. Now, now let us take here, this is vector A. Okay, actually you know one thing, this question is completely wrong question, because whenever they're asking the relation, they must give the diagram, because you know this A vector acting in which direction you don't know, this B vector acting which direction you don't know, isn't it? So actually this question must have a diagram. With the diagram you can verify this relation, but we don't have the diagram, so I am skipping this diagram if possible, or else in the next class I will bring the diagram, because the standard book we have here, so in that we will verify and we will check it here. Surely this question must have the diagram, so not required now. So let us go for now see the figure 8th question. If you see the 8th question, that is what I am thinking here. If you see the 8th question, here we have a diagram. So then they are asking the correct relation. By giving the diagram, they are asking the correct relation. See how many vectors they given here. How many vectors? 3 vectors. This is your C vector, and this is your B vector, and this is your vector A. This is your vector A, and they are asking correct relation. See, now whenever you are taking the vector addition, what thing you must follow? First vector tail, second vector head must be joined. So now this is your first vector. You can take or else you can take this C as a first vector. the first vector head, second vector is tail. You can take this A bar is a second vector. So now A bar is a second vector. Now C bar plus A bar. Now what is the addition? Now this question basically on which topic here? Triangle of vector addition. So first vector I am taking C bar, second vector I am taking A bar. So whenever we are taking the triangle of vector, first vector head, second vector tail must be joined without changing the direction of the vectors, and the resultant is the closed side from first vector tail to second vector head. That line will give the your what? Resultant. Here resultant would be your B. So this is your B. Now you can rearrange this form, even you can rearrange the thing here. How do you rearrange here? I think directly you have the relation. The relation is what? The third option. Third option. Even you can write this relation in another way. The other way is A bar is equal to B bar minus C bar also you can write. Or yeah, A bar plus yes, C bar is equal to B bar minus A bar also, it is correct. Okay, this is a way also we can represent, this is a way also we can represent, even this is a way also we can represent. So that way we'll have the answers. Now see, the 9th question is your theory question. You can solve the theory questions. Next let me go for 10th question also theory. Yeah, now exercise 1. Now let's start exercise 1. Exercise 1, multi-choice question, the first one. I am going for exercise 1. The exercise 1, I am doing first question. The first question is A plus B is equal to C. A plus B is equal to what? A plus B is equal to C. Now A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar is equal to C bar. A bar plus B bar is equal to C bar. Then the angle between the vectors. See, this question we did many times. Just before we did many kind of questions. So now you can hear C, A plus B is equal to C bar, right? So C is your resultant vector. C is your resultant vector. Then mod C is equal to under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. But what is C here? C is nothing but A plus B. So you can write as here A plus B under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So finally, what is the equation? You can take SBS, squaring on both sides. You should do squaring on both sides. Here square, here also square. This square and root cancel. If you apply A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So finally, what is the thing here? This is A square, this is A square, A square cancel. 2AB, which is equal to 2AB cos theta. So here even you can cancel here 2AB, so cos theta value is 1, so theta is equal to 0 degrees, because cos function is 1 become 1 for which angle? Angle for 0 degrees. So that is the answer. So one more question they are giving. So they given another question. Let me go for other question. Exercise second question. See the exercise second question. The exercise second question, P bar they given, Q bar they given. Find the magnitude of P plus Q. So now you can write here P bar and Q bar vectors. So P bar they mentioned as 2I plus 4J. 2i plus 4j, next 14k, and q bar is equal to 4i plus 4j, 4i plus 4j plus 10k. You know this problem in intermediate textbook we have this problem in +1 intermediate Telangana textbook you have, right? In that you will observe this problem. Okay, textbook problem it is. Now they are asking p bar plus q bar magnitude. So when you are taking, how do you take this magnitude? Simply add these two vectors. How do you add? You cannot use here parallelogram law, you cannot use here triangle law, even polygon law. What we use directly, you can add. How do you add? I terms to I terms, j terms to j terms, k terms to k terms, so that you will get p plus q. So p plus q is equal to, so first you can write 2i 4j plus 14k plus 4i 4j plus 10k. So find 2i 4i, that is 6i, 4j 4j, that is 18j, plus I have written here wrongly 14k 10k, that is 24k. This is your p bar plus q bar. But how do you find the magnitude? P bar plus q bar magnitude is under root of 6 square 8 square plus 24 square. So this formula, actually let me write a formula here. The formula, I'll write here the formula. I think you cannot get here. I'll say how it is. For example, this is a bar. A bar, if it is expressed as axi plus ayj plus azk, this is one vector. Here x is nothing but the vector x direction component. Ay nothing but vector y component. Az is nothing but same a vector z component. Then if they are given in terms of component, what is the magnitude? The magnitude we can express as ax square plus ay square plus az square. This is your magnitude. The similar manner, we have a vector p plus q. Now if we have a vector p plus q magnitude you can find by using, what is the component? Ax square means 6x square, ay square means 8 square, next 24 whole square. So finally simplify it. P bar plus q bar magnitude is 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64 plus 24. What is the 24? 24 is actually 25 is 625, right? So you can calculate it. 24 so you can calculate here 24 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 9, 8, 2 2 is 4, finally 6, this is 7, so 1, so 576, here we will get 576. So finally add this to all the equations. 36 and 64. 36 and 64 is equal to 100. 100 plus 576. So totally 676. 676. Root 676 is nothing but 26. So answer is what? 26 units is our answer. I hope you have understood how I explained. Okay. So this is the way we'll have the we need to solve the problems. For today, I will stop the session. In the coming classes, I will start the remaining concepts. But today I am taking sign off. Bye bye.